All right, so here's the question. What does God say about persistence? So this morning, early, I read the verse, Matthew 7:7. And in Matthew 7:7, it says, ask and keep on asking and you will receive. And then it says, seek and keep on seeking and you will find. And then it says, knock and keep on knocking and the door will be open. So that's interesting if you actually think about it. First off, each action, there's persistence behind it. Keep on doing that thing. The other thing is that he talks about first is you ask. So asking is getting clear about what you want, specifically clear about what you want. You don't walk up to Starbucks and say, give me a coffee. Typically you walk on Starbucks and you have to know exactly what you want. I want a peach green tea lemonade on ice venti, right? You got to know exactly what you're asking for. So the first thing he says is ask and keep on asking. So that means you got to be clear, specifically clear on what you want. What you want to receive has to be hyper clear. One thing I've learned from successful people is the more clear they are, the better odds they have of achieving that success. And then it says keep on asking, meaning keep praying for what you want. Keep asking God for what you want, being specifically clear. You just don't do it once, you do it every single day over and over and over again. Now, the second one was keep seeking. What does that mean? So first you ask. Then you have to seek out, meaning you might be looking on YouTube, you might be looking, reading books, you might be reading the Bible, you might be finding information that is going to help you achieve the ask, right? And there's tons of information. Maybe you're right now attempting to do your wholesaling business and you're seeking information. Maybe you bought one of my courses or whatever, or you're watching YouTube videos or listen to podcasts and you're seeking information. And what you do is you keep on seeking, keep on, and it will be revealed. You will find what you're looking for eventually if you keep on seeking and you're clear about your ask. So the next thing is knock, which is an action. Knock and keep on knocking. So knocking is the action. So essentially, if you're wholesaling, you're going to keep talking to sellers. You're going to keep generating leads. You're going to keep making offers. You're going to keep knocking on your craft every single day over and over and over again. And you're going to keep on knocking. And what's going to happen is the door will be open. And here's the thing. Is we don't know the timeline, right? The timeline could be, months, could be years. But if you keep on knocking with persistence, that door will be open. Now, here's the most incredible thing. You keep going from Matthew 7 and read 7. Then you go to verse 8, right? And verse 8 says, for everyone who keeps asking, right, it will be answered. For everyone who keeps seeking, you'll find, and for everyone who keeps knocking, the door will be open. So he reiterates, and this is in red, so Jesus is saying this, he reiterates to keep on keeping on. Don't give up. Don't turn in the towel. It doesn't matter if you're struggling or if it's difficult. Believe me, I had many, and currently, pushing through obstacles and challenges in situations and events, pushing through, and you keep asking, being clear of what you want. Keep seeking the correct information, finding more information so you can get better and better at your craft every day. Keep knocking on your craft every day. Keep moving forward no matter what's going on in your life. And you'll be amazed to see what happens because God will reveal. The door will open. You will find what you're looking for, and that thing you're asking for will come to fruition. And you're going to look back at it and go, holy cow, man, my life is completely changed because I kept the course. I kept focused. I kept persistent. I kept my eye on the goal. I kept asking. I kept seeking, and I kept knocking on that door, and that door opened, and now you're going to find out, you know, exactly where you want to be. So I know there's struggles in life, and I know everyone goes through struggles, and maybe you're going through something right now, and maybe you want to hear this, and you're thinking about quitting, thinking about giving up, thinking about throwing in the towel, thinking about, you know, or maybe you haven't been clear specifically about what you wanted. Maybe you're walking to Starbucks going, hey, I want a coffee, right? So get clear specifically what you want, and maybe this this information can help you to keep on knocking on your craft, keep seeking and getting better. And I pray that that your door will open soon. And I know if you keep doing that, your door will open soon. Things will change. The tide will turn. Things will get better. You'll turn that corner from where you are to where you want to be. Things are getting better for you right now as you seek, as you find, as you knock, and as you ask. So hope this helps. Hope this touched you today. Please like and share if you could, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs.